to deal with a huge volume of incoming status reports, damage reports from all our citizens over St. Hidmark. NEAT did not only help us to prioritize the events and emergency calls, but also to see which quality the citizen information had. With NEAT we can distinguish between qualitative information from our citizens that we need to react to and information that we should disregard. It was also very helpful to be able to connect instantly with all our colleagues from fire departments, emergency units, which were collaboratively working on the same system all the time. Being a decentralized system, NEAT allowed every department to log in at the same time and to simultaneously annotate the huge amount of incoming data. Then we had special control centers like this in the background, where we could assess all of the information coming in from our different departments and generate an overall picture of what the city is looking like.
NEAT is a collaborative emergency management tool. NEAT allows the creation of different groups. This way, organizational units can share their information within their organization, but at the same time put knowledge into groups shared with other departments. NEAT makes use of 3 different sources of data. First, NEAT integrates damage reports of the Rumble app. Second, radiation measurements of both stationary and mobile sensors are available. Y-int microblog entries form the third data source. For each data type, a stream graph can be created and shifted for better comparison. A global time indicator helps further. NEAT provides several features for each data type. First, we distinguish between aggregation by category and aggregation by location. Then, for each of the 2 views, we can observe different statistical values per feature. For example, we can take a look at the volume of damage reports of the Rumble app or about sum or mean of the same. As well, we also enable to explore the volume of the damage reports per district as the second perspective. The same holds for radiation measurements, which we either categorize into semantic groups from almost none to radiation danger. The emergency categories we extract from Y-int messages can as well be displayed as episode graphs time synchronized with the stream graphs. Hover effects allow experts to read any message in a pattern. Findings made by an analyst can be easily shared with other group members. Any portion of the timeline can be annotated directly. Annotations will then be synced to other group members in real time. This enables effortless sharing of knowledge even over different geographical locations. The created annotations can also be used to create a timeline of events. As well, the NEAT dashboard features a stream graph as temporal selection. The data displayed on it can be chosen freely. A time selection on the stream graph can be used to filter for interesting intervals. While brushing, the selected time interval is automatically linked to the 2 map views and the episode overviews. The first map view displays aggregated damage reports from the Rumble app. For each district, a glyph summarizes for each category the reported damages, while color codes the development since the last 30 minutes, where red is increasing and blue is decreasing. A horizon graph at the bottom shows the message volume distribution over time. The second map displays the radiation measurements during the selected time interval in town. Developments can be observed by shifting the time slider. Finally, extracted episodes from the microblog service are shown on a global temporal scale vertically. Episode parts outside of the time selection are grayed out. The different episodes represent 17 categories important for emergency situations and display messages related, for example, to injuries or body counts, missing people, requested assistance, or the state of the infrastructure. Thanks to pre-trained topic detection, these views can be updated as you go, giving analysts an overview on the temporal development and duration of ongoing events. Contextually, full text and exact users and location can be viewed by hovering.